Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to make an appointment to have a one-on-one meeting with me. So students for all three, this applies to all three classes, which is Digital Design 1, Videography 1, and Videography 2. So each week we're going to talk about their progression in their projects, and so if sometimes like a project proposal, we can have that. You can use that time as a bounce idea to each other and just kind of have like a brainstorm session or ideation session or whatnot. So first week, we are not going to have any kind of meeting because, there's not a lot going on. But second week, I like to just book a meeting with each of you just to get to know each other and, talk about your professional goals and things like that, just to get acquainted to each other. So this is the tutorial on how to make an appointment. So if you go to any of these classes, you'll have the class meeting time section right here under the weekly agenda. Then if you go there should be a link right there. So if you click that link, it's gonna get you to this login page. So make sure that you use your school ID. So in this case, that's my school ID. And then you're gonna sign in, and then it's gonna bring you to this worksheet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select a time, and then you're gonna write down your name, put your name in. But when you do that, make sure that you indicate your class ID as well. So I made an example underneath here. So if you're in digital design class, you just put DD and then space dash space, Johan. Or if you have like a long last name, and you can always do like Joe H or something like that. But if you're in Videography 1, VI space dash space and Joe H. So if you do that, and this section is gonna get, the background is going to change, and then you are booked for this time. But if you want to change the time period, you can always just delete it and then change to somewhere else and say Johan like that. So you won't be able to put any data in here because it's locked, but you will be able to delete someone else's appointment. But I can see who made a particular edits. So if you delete everything, I'll be able to see that who did it. So don't try to be stupid there, and try not to touch someone else's appointment. Just select any appointment slot that is empty. And if none of these time works, I don't believe none of this time works for you, just email me so that I can have like a odd hour meeting session with you. And I don't think no one's that busy, to be honest. So this is very flexible meeting time period from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. almost. So I'm sure we can find some time to just meet and talk. All right, so for the week 2, like I said, we're just gonna talk about your goals and how you're gonna tackle the first project. And I just want to ask you if you have any kind of like an issue or concerns, and mostly we're just gonna get acquainted and just say hello to each other. So after you put your name in the chart, I will send you a link for the Microsoft Teams meeting, and you'll be able to use that link in the email. I'll email the link to you, and then you can just click that email to get connected to the meeting room. So that is it, and I look forward to meeting you guys, and yeah, see you later.